Hey guys, video game brawlers CPS here today. Last day, silent corner. Oh god, we really got it, finally got it. I can use this one screw into the neon dragon triangle screw. I finally did it. Alright, let's get it up, and finally touch. Let's put those together. Great, let's do it. Alright, there we go. Voila! Wow, that should do. Awesome. Alright, here's white purple, white pink, and white lines. That's a cool. That's around Halg's one's cool. Amazing. Alright, Silent Naga. There's 3D print is ready to roll. Ready? Oh, we're gonna open up. Here, we're gonna open it here. Just gonna stick it here. Right here, I'll just fold it, okay? Right, now fold's done. There we go. Wow! Silent Naga's cool. Alright, so here's 2 red eyes, purple lines, pink lines, 2 arms, 2 legs, tail, 4 wings in the mouth here. There's a cool back right there. Those are cool. That's so amazing. It's Silent Naga 3D prints, fantastic. First time through, cool. So this is a Silent Naga from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. That's how deep one's cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game brawlers unboxing and artists from Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time, everybody. Bye. And Bakugan Brawl! I completed up. Silent Naga 3D print is built, done, complete, awesome, great.